Let's talk about the Oracle Developer Playground. What is it? How did it get started? And what do you do with it?
Developer Playground is kind of like the name says. It's a playground where developers can go and look at what we're doing in the cloud, the different things Oracle is trying out, different products. We also have a lot of customers in there partners, etc., that are trying to show off the different things that they're doing as well. So it's basically, as a developer, we love code, and so we want to go and actually look at how things work and break stuff down a little bit more.
So you get in there, you can see other people's stuff, you can learn from each other, and you can kind of share in that playground. Where does the Oracle Cloud play into all this? Why is that important?
So from an Oracle perspective, a lot of our customers come to us and they're like, hey, you guys have a great strategy for database, but we're trying to move towards the cloud. How can you help us? So that's kind of where the cloud was actually born for us from the database perspective. But over time, we've kind of made it seamless. So you have different kind of resources, compute, networking, etc. Kind of one of the things that we see from an enterprise perspective is, people want to be doing open source kind of things. So we base a lot of our stuff on open source. So things like Kubernetes, things like serverless with functions and serverless with FN. All of that stuff is there in the cloud for us.
So a lot of organizations have a lot of places to actually think about development, right? Cloud is the place for a lot of people are starting all new development on the edge, right? Why Oracle over some of the other environments?
So the key thing about Oracle, and initially when the cloud was first born, it was very open. You could kind of do whatever, wherever you wanted to. But over time, clouds have become a little bit more constrained. So once you invest into a cloud, you're kind of locked in. So there's not an idea of openness. The Oracle Cloud, specifically for OCI, one of the things that we kind of believe in from a core perspective is openness. We really want to build a culture where you can kind of do things on-prem, things on cloud, but base it on the same standard. That's an open standard. So instead of looking at Oracle docs, you can just look at open source documentation, and it's all interoperable. So that's one of the key things and core important values to us.
Mark Perd was talking about multi-cloud everywhere, and that's kind of a very, very interesting thing.
It's truly important because a lot of customers today might have multiple clouds, and you want your Kubernetes offering to go across different clouds as well. So multi-cloud strategy is not a thing that you think about. It's a thing that's a given today.
All right, so Oracle Developer Playground, the place to kind of get started, figure out how to build that last mile in, think about your apps, and the Oracle Cloud is a place for you to actually think about your overall cloud strategy. Thank you very much, Karthik, for actually being here.
You bet.